you got the rehab videos as we're building it. You could go see it whenever you want to. The transparency, I always felt like it helps. It was the one thing when I got started investing, I had no transparency. I was just trusting the contractor. I couldn't see anything. I think seeing is definitely believing, and the proof's in the pudding, as they say. So I'm glad to see us get to the end of this project with a nice outcome. I'll actually show, just for the audience, because seeing is believing. This is the property. I'll mute it out. This is the property as we kind of found it. This is the demolition phase. And as you guys can see, like, we're ripping out the windows, trim. The bathroom was a complete blowout sale. I mean, we just gutted it down to the studs. And I'll fast forward a little bit so we can get to the first floor. As we go down these stairs, you can see the old staircase, and you'll see how we changed that. All new framing, kind of going throughout the property, new layout. Like you said, we came up with that design plan to add that fourth bed and extra bathroom to get that ARV pop. Added in a fireplace and some different things. But to us, it's important always to give a good product. The contractors, one thing I love about the team we work with is they have their own sense of pride. And I think you felt that. You've gone and talked to the crew, like, on site, and you see they care. They have their pride. They have their opinions. They want you to be happy. And when I spoke to the contractors after our last conversation, they're like, yeah, we're going to go the extra mile on this thing. We just want Gene to be a happy camper. So guys, this is what the property looked like as we found it. And then this is actually Gene's video. So proof in the pudding. This isn't even my video. This is Gene, like, a couple days ago, going to his own project. And this is what that same property, believe it or not, has turned itself into. Full gut job, steel railings. We put in a new fireplace, the nice kitchen layout. And then we added this bathroom kind of in-law suite onto the first floor to give it maximum value. And with the layout of this property in particular, we were able to do that without even inconveniencing that bedroom on the back. There is no walk out to the backyard there. So it's like a perfect design. I'll fast forward a little bit here so you guys can see the upstairs, the finish. Everything's new trim, new doors, new windows, black and white theme. And then a beautiful bathroom upstairs as well, with the extra pantry space on the side. So definitely a nice rehab. I think one to be proud of. Let me add Gene back. I think a rehab to be proud of. Definitely something that's going to be exciting to the market. I can't wait to get this thing on market and just pop it and get some profit rolling in and get to the next one.